Digging deep south. We got the truck, the boat, and LA Gold. He got his jacket on because we've fixing to hit about 40 miles an hour on the water. Fixing to get in this water to go find some big old cannonball fragments and Civil War stuff on our way. Hey y'all, we hunting this old Union Trench. You see the dirt piled up right there. There's a fort inside on the other side of that dirt. Done dug about 10 bullets so far. A bunch of round balls, Confederate stuff. LA Gold, he found a little pistol mold. And I just found a French triangle. Go ahead and get it on film. It's a good bullet there. Digging deep. Rough terrain. Uphill. LA Gold.
Still in the hole, I ain't seen whatever it is yet. Let me get some, hope it turns out to be more than a bullet. Dirt was here.
Hold on just a second. I'll show them where we hunting, what kind of stuff is laying around in the woods. I threw a piece up here and it hit another piece. Look at these big shell frags, y'all. Gigantic, look how thick that is. Piece of a cannonball. 3 pieces right there. Alright, we rolling. Go ahead. Oh, another shell piece right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm up here. That was that deep. It's down right here somewhere. I'm still getting a signal. I don't know where it is yet.
Alright.
See, check to make sure.
Above a lead signal? Oh man.
The big signal sounds good. I hope it's something really good.
Very nice. I'm jealous.
Look at that, dude. Why does it look like that?
Why does it look like that? Watch your fingers.
What the fuck is that?
Watch your fingers. Okay y'all, we made it back to the house. This is my little collection I found today, around 24, 25 bullets. Got this French triangle, bunch of round balls that were kind of dropped, looks like the mold was kind of messed up. He was making them and I don't believe he could shoot these. Well, anyway, we did pretty good. There's LA Gold, he did good too. Yep. Found a couple of little card bullets, 3 ringers, and the find of the day is this mold to a pistol. Very nice. Mold made 2 different type bullets. You happy with that one, huh?
That's a heck of a hunt, man, for a short one. We went out there, what, about 4 hours maybe?
Yep, 4 hours in the boat. Alright, did a video. Thanks for watching, y'all. Oh, soft shell turtle. Kind of interesting looking. They got a weird face, and they have a very long neck. Yeah. We're gonna see if my brother wants him for turtle soup, or that's not my brother. But yeah. We'll see if he wants it for turtle soup or not. Let him go. Look at that. You trying to bite? They got a soft shell to them.